Hello everyone, welcome to another awesome video. It's called Maverick here. So I'm going to be talking about this free platform I stumbled upon where you can mine free Solana coin without any deposit required. Do you understand? So this platform is basically free to use. All you have to do is have a Faucet Pay account. If you don't have a Faucet Pay account, check the description box. I'll be leaving a sign up link there for you to create a Faucet Pay account. Do you understand? So all you have to do basically is to input your email, your Faucet Pay email account when you click the link for this platform. So I'll be leaving the link for this platform in the description box also. So sign up. When you get to the sign up page, all you have to do is input your Faucet Pay email address and then you start mining. That's basically all you have to do. So when you've input your address, you can just click on start mining, which will be this button here. But I'm already in my account, so this is what you'll be seeing. But you'll be seeing start mining when you've imputed your Faucet Pay email address. You click on the start mining and that's basically it. You will be forwarded to the startup page where you'll be mining. You're already mining automatically. So as you can see, I've started mining automatically. And since it's a Faucet Pay platform, all you have to do, you can mine whenever and then withdraw whenever. You basically don't need to accumulate much. So you can withdraw whenever you want. You can withdraw whenever you want. So basically this platform is sign up, start mining and withdraw whenever you want. That is why it's a free platform. But if you want to mine faster, you can always come here, click on top up and then click on the amount of hash power you want, because basically when you just start, you have just 2 hash power. So if you want to have more hash power, you can come over there, click on the top up and you'll be forwarded here, and then you click on the amount of hash power you want to buy. When you click on buy now, see the amount of Solana you'll be paying. So when you click on buy now, it will be forwarding you to Faucet Pay. You understand? So when it has forwarded you to Faucet Pay, you click on proceed to payment and automatically they are going to confirm your payment. Do you understand? So when you've confirmed this payment, you can now proceed to go back to the platform and your hash power is going to automatically be previewed here. Do you understand? So when you've topped up, you'll be mining faster than usual. Do you understand? So basically that's how to mine and earn money from this platform. You understand? So if you want to withdraw, you can always come over here to the withdraw and then click on the amount of Solana. So as you can see, the minimum Solana 0.000000. There's no limit. Do you understand? You can withdraw whenever and wherever you want. So you input the amount of Solana you want to withdraw and you click on confirm request and automatically they're going to confirm your withdrawal, and then you can go to your Faucet Pay to confirm payment. Do you understand? So that's basically all you have to do for this platform. And if you want to earn with your friends and earn higher hash power, so the more friends you refer, the more hash power you get. So you come over to the affiliate section or the referrals section, and then over here you'll be seeing your link. Do you understand? You can copy this link and paste on all platforms. Do you understand? All platforms, refer your family and friends so that you'll be earning with them, and then you'll be earning as much as they are earning. Do you understand? You'll be getting referral commission from friends you refer. Do you understand? So that's all for this platform. You basically don't have to do much. Create your account, go back and come back whenever you want, place your withdrawal, and that's basically all you need to do. Do you understand? If you have any question, refer to them in the comment section, and if you have any problem with the platform, contact their customer service. So that's basically all for this video. Stay tuned for the next video and do well to like and subscribe this video. Until next time, peace out.